to trade in stock market. Millions of people each year try their hands on stock market, but most walk away with nothing, having never reached their full potential. The majority of those who fail have one thing in common. They started trading without proper knowledge or hired some guru to handle their trading account. A better path is to learn how to trade the market with skill and authority. Following slides will give you some basic knowledge about what is stock market trading, etc. Let's start. What is stock market trading? Buying or selling of any particular stock in stock market is called trading. A lot of people around the world do trading regularly and make good money out of it. Stock market trading is same as any other profession like doctor, engineer, architect, or simply running your own business. To perform such a task, you need to have deep knowledge about their field. A layman with no or limited knowledge cannot trade in stock market. They will end up losing. Fortunately, there is a simple way to this. Learn then trade. Who can learn trading? Anyone who's patient and disciplined can learn trading. As a matter of fact, 100% people who are consistently successful in trading have great sense of patience and discipline, apart from great knowledge and experience. Hi, my name is Nikhil. I'm a full-time trader and trainer for over 9 years now. I have been teaching trading to my students for over a year now. I will provide trading knowledge through my videos and webinars. This video is basically for people who have little or no experience in trading. Types of trading. There are different types of trading in stock market. Day trading, which lasts up to few hours to a trading day. Positional trading, which lasts up to few days to weeks or even months. Scalping, it's a short-term trading which lasts up to few minutes. Swing trading, lasts up to few days to weeks. Algo trading, it's a software-based trading. Arbitrage, trading of stocks between exchanges. Investing, long-term investing into shares can go up to years. How to acquire proper knowledge for trading? Basically, there are two ways to acquire knowledge: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, when you get knowledge through news, company data, annual reports, reading company's growth pattern. Technical analysis is when you get knowledge through chart reading of a particular stock. In simple words, you have to be good in chart reading and trade according to that analysis. When it comes to chart reading, there are a lot of segments which are involved. One should be able to read indicators such as RSI, Super Trend, Bollinger Bands, Moving Average, etc. There are advanced indicators also, which one has to master for chart reading. That is pivot points, CPR, previous day CPR, marking important levels such as previous day high and low, price action, finding support and resistance for a particular chart, reading multiple time frame charts, etc. What is price action trading? On chart, when you see green and red candles forming, they are created by buyers and sellers in the market. Price action is nothing but the green and red candles in action. These candles are controlled by buyers representing green color and sellers representing red color in the market. These candles can be of different size representing mood of buyers and sellers. What is trading strategy? Strategy is nothing but a plan with which one enters into a trade and exits, deciding on factors like how many quantities one can take as per position sizing. Following any strategy blindly will not give any desired results, as different strategy works differently for different traders. It is also that something suits your mind and personality. Coming to a mindset, this is one of the most underrated subject in trading world, and one of the main reasons why a lot of people fail to become profitable traders. What is option trading? A lot of traders don't trade in stocks, they trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, also called as index trading. There are two types, option buyers and option sellers. Trading in stocks gives you freedom to make money when the market is going upside or downside. However, in trading in options, one can take a chance to make money when market is going flat as well. Trading in options is not advisable in early years of trading as it requires special set of skills which we will discuss in future. Why do people fail in trading? Almost 90% or more people fail to become profitable traders. Trading is simple, but you need to understand it first. In fact, good trading is 20% knowledge and 80% psychology. There are many factors why people fail in trading. It can be lack of knowledge, risk management, discipline and patience, proper strategy, controlling emotions, fear of moving out, etc. How to overcome all these issues? We will discuss in our future videos. By the way, they all are easy to manage. Trading psychology. There are a lot of factors that are involved when it comes to becoming a profitable trader. Controlling emotions when in a trade is the name of the game. Learning the strategy or reading charts is just a matter of time. This can be a dream job for anyone. But how many people are able to do it? Everyone tries, but few gets it. So why it is so difficult? As a matter of fact, trading is very simple when you learn it. Do's and don'ts for a good trader. Always enter a trade with a fixed plan. Always trade with strict stop loss. Never trade more than 2 to 3 trades in a day. Never put more than 1% of your capital at risk in a single trade. Do not shift your stop loss once you have decided. Always select quantity as per position sizing. Always respect 1:2 risk reward ratio. Don't change the plan once you have entered. Always log all your trades and do not add quantities to a losing trade. How and what do I trade in? I'm a price action trader trading with support and resistance. I do positional trading as well as day trading. I trade in 3 segments: Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks. All have different strategies which I have built over years. All my strategies are back tested and I myself trade on them. I do both buying and selling in options depending upon market and analysis. I prefer technical analysis, that is, I read charts before taking a trade. I use multiple time frames also for my analysis.